Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to flip camera view. If you want to mirror flip camera view, firstly let's go to settings. And next, scroll until you see mirror flip. Enter it and make sure that the rear camera is connected to use this function. Now the rear camera is connected. Again, let's go to mirror flip. And switch it between on or off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.